Hello friends, today we are discussing about a very important topic of organic chemistry, and the name of the topic is benzoin condensation. Friends, this reaction is given by aromatic aldehyde in presence of sodium cyanide, ethyl alcohol and water molecule, and in place of sodium cyanide we can also use potassium cyanide in this reaction. The product of the reaction is alpha hydroxy ketone known as benzoin. In benzoin, hydroxy group is always secondary. Benzaldehyde reacts with potassium cyanide, ethyl alcohol and hydrogen molecule. On heating gives the product alpha hydroxy ketone or benzoin. Friends, the reaction you can see on a screen. Friends, this is the basic reaction of benzoin condensation. Friends, now we are discussing about the mechanism of benzoin condensation. Friends, first step involves the nucleophilic addition of cyanide ion onto the carbonyl group. The hydrogen atom attached to the carbonyl group of aldehyde is not acidic enough to be released easily, but the addition of cyanide ion to the carbonyl carbon places this hydrogen in the alpha position of the nitrile, thus making it is relatively acidic. This acidic hydrogen migrates from carbon to the oxygen to form a carbanion. The carbanion is stabilized due to the delocalization. Aldehyde on which cyanide ion is added is known as donor molecule. Friends, now we are discussing about the second step of benzoin mechanism. In the second step, the carbanion generated in the first step attacks the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of aldehyde to give cyanohydrine of benzoin. This step is low and rate determining step. This step is aldol type nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldehyde which gives addition with carbanion is known as acceptor molecule. There is rapid transfer of proton and rapid loss of cyanide ion in cyanohydrin of benzoin to give benzoin. Friends, benzoin condensation is also given by glycol, and the reaction of this mechanism you can see on a screen. Friends, this explanation is all about the benzoin condensation. I hope guys you will like this video. Thank you.